Hello everyone. Today we will be starting with another new Unit 3, Synthesis of Sentences. Let's start with Module 1, that is Synthesizing Sentences, Art and Science. Here we have like synthesizers is a powerful tool for writers, enabling them to craft concise, engaging, and sophisticated prose. It is a skill that seamlessly blends artistry with a systematic understanding of language, structure, and meaning. By mastering the art of sentence synthesizes, you can transform simple sentences into complex and compelling narratives. Here, it means like this. Synthesizes sentences uh, about the meaning of art and science, like we combine your key ideas into one sentence, no? Here, one sentence, and here, for example, art. When I say art is all about our creativity, no? Creativity and expressing our emotions. And when I say science, it's all about logic, understanding, and a natural world, no? So here, art, it expresses creativity and emotions, while science uses logic in order to like explain the natural world. But both help us to understand life in different ways. So this shows the meaning that both art and science in one clear statement, no? So this is it. Let's shift to the next topic, that is, here we have what is sentence synthesis. So here, sentence synthesis, it is the process of combining and restructuring, no? Restructuring sentences to create more complex and meaningful expression. It involves strategically combining ideas, rearranging sentences, elements, and incorporating clauses and phrases to enhance clarity, flow, and impact. So here, this means like the sentence synthesis, it is the process of like combining two or more sentences or ideas, okay, into a single, clear, and grammatically correct sentence. So here the main goal is to make the sentence shorter or more concise without changing the original meaning. We should not change the original meaning out here. Okay, so for example, just say like the original sentence is the sun was setting, the sky turned orange. So the original sentence here will be like the sun was setting, the sky turned orange. So here the synthesized sentence will be the sky turned orange as the sun was setting. Here, so that's it. For example, now let's discuss why is this sentence synthesis important. This sentence synthesis is very important because it helps us to simplify in writing. It also avoids repetition of words, and it makes our communication more effective. So the next one will be combining ideas. So let's all read together. Instead of expressing two separate thoughts into separate sentences, sentence synthesis allows you to weave them together for more concise and elegant effect. So here, in combining ideas, here it means that taking two or more thoughts or pieces of information and like merging them into one clear meaningful sentence or statement. So this can make your writing more concise and easier to understand. Here some of the techniques of combining ideas will be: number one, using conjunctions. So about these using conjunctions we have discussed in the previous chapter as well. So here we need to combine two ideas with words like and, but, or, because, so, although, and so on. So here one very simple example would be: she loves art. She also enjoys science. So how will we combine this sentence now? It will be like, she loves art and also enjoys science. So I hope you all are clear with this. And the next one, the next subtopic will be using relative clauses. So under this, we need to replace one idea with a phrase and that describes something in the other sentence. Like for example, I read a book, it was very interesting. So here the combined one will be, I read a book that was very interesting. And the next one will be using participles. So here we need to use words like in the ending we need to put like ing, et no, forms in order to link the ideas. So here the example will be, she was tired, she went to bed early. So here the combined one will be being tired. Being, B-E-I-N-G, it ends with ing. So being tired, she went to bed early, no? So here using prepositions. So we need to add preposition in order to connect the ideas. Here the example will be like, he studied hard, he passed the test. No? So here the combined one will be, by studying hard, he passed the test. No? So the last example will be using apposition. No? So here we need to in this using apposition we need to insert the extra information about the subject directly into the sentence. For example, like, Mary discovered a radium. She was a famous scientist. So here the combined one will be, Mary, a famous scientist, discovered a radium. So here this combining ideas, no, it improves and flow and clarity in writing. It also helps us to share our ideas and it will help you to combine them. So I hope you all are clear with this combining ideas. Let's start with point number 2, that is rearranging elements. So here, the order, let's all read together. The order in which you present your ideas can significantly impact the reader's understanding. Sentence synthesis helps you strategically rearrange sentence elements to emphasize key points. So here, this rearranging elements here means like changing the order of words, not changing the order of words, phrases or clauses in a sentence in order to make it like very clear, more engaging or grammatically correct. So here, it doesn't change the meaning of the sentence, but it improves its structure or emphasis. So why do we need to rearrange elements? Why? Because it improves clarity. No? It emphasizes key points. It also makes the sentence grammatically correct, and it creates variety in sentence structure. So this is the reason why we need to rearrange elements. So now I will discuss some of the examples of rearranging here. Number 1 will be changing word. No? So here the original sentence would be the cake. Okay, the cake, delicious and freshly baked, was eaten by the kids. So how will the rearranged sentence will look like? So here the kids, now the rearranged words will be like, the kids ate the delicious freshly baked cake. And here number 2 will be like shifting phrases from emphasis. So the original sentence here will be, she decided to quit her job because she wanted to travel. No? So here the rearranged one will be, because she wanted to travel. No? Because she wanted to travel, she decided to quit her job. Alright, so the next one will be reorganizing clauses. Reorganizing clauses. Here the original sentence will be, I didn't go to the park because it was raining. So here the rearranged one will be, because it was raining, I didn't go to the park. So this part is done. The next one will be tips for rearranging. No? So I will tell you all some tips in order to rearrange a sentence. So the first thing you need to do is you need to identify the main idea and make it the focus. And the next one will be place important information at the beginning. Now you need to place important information at the beginning or end of the emphasis. And also you can break long sentences into smaller, clearer parts if needed. So rearranging elements is done. The next one is incorporating details. So here, by incorporating clauses and phrases, you can add depth and detail to your sentences, providing readers with a richer understanding of your message. So here it means that incorporating specific information or descriptions to a sentence in order to make it more informative, engaging, or vivid. So like this process, it enriches our like writing, no? By giving the reader a very clear understanding or a more vivid image of the topic, no? When it comes to incorporating details. So here, how do we incorporate details? Point number 1, we need to add adjectives and adverbs. So here, include descriptive like words in order to provide more information. For example, the original word sentence will be like, she wore a dress. So in order to make it like detail, we will write like, she wore a beautiful flowing red dress. Number 2 is use prepositional phrases. So here we need to add phrases that gives like more context about location, time, or reason. So the original here it will be like, the kids played. Now in detail we will turn it like this: the kids played in the park during the afternoon. So that's it. Number 3 will be include examples or specifics. So here we need to provide concrete details in order to support a general statement. For example, the original one will be, the dog was energetic. No? So with details we will put it this way: the dog was energetic, chasing its tail and barking at the birds. No? The next one will be expand with relative clauses. So here we need to add extra information about the subject using who, which, that, and so on. So here the original one will be, I met a teacher. For example, I met a teacher. Here in detail we need to write like, I met a teacher who inspired me to love science. No? So here the next one will be integrate sensory details. So here we need to use details that appeal to the sense. For example, like sight, smell, sound, taste, touch, no? And here the original one will be like, the coffee was on the table. So the detailing will be like, the steaming coffee on the table smelled rich and inviting, no? That's it. adding more details makes writing more engaging and vivid, like I have told you before. So that's it. I hope all have got what you all have understood what is a sentence synthesis. So we will skip to the next topic, that is benefits of sentence synthesis. Under this we have like sentence synthesis offers numerous advantages for writers, leading to improved writing quality and reader engagement. It allows you to create like more cohesive and fluent writing style while also enhancing the clarity and impact of your message. No? So this one is like clearly given. Under this we have clarity. Now, well synthesized sentences are clear and easy to understand, allowing readers to follow the flow of your ideas effortlessly. So here, clarity, it improves our clarity. It combines multiple ideas into one clear sentence by reducing confusion out here. And for example, the original one, the car was red, it was parked outside. So here the synthesized one will be like the red car was parked outside, which gives us like the clarity in a sentence. And consciousness here. Next one is consciousness. Sentence synthesis helps you to express complex ideas efficiently, avoiding unnecessary repetition and redundancy. Here it means like this consciousness here, it enhances our consciousness. It eliminates unnecessary repetition, makes writing shorter and to the point. For example, like just say she was very tired, she went to bed. Here the synthesized one will be like being very tired, she went to bed. Here the another one is um, impact. Here, impact one will be by strategically combining and reconstructing sentences. You can emphasize key points and create a more powerful and memorable effect. So here in the impact of sentence synthesis, it is significant, particularly when it comes to writing, communication, and critical thinking. Okay, so here, I will also like to add that like under the benefits of sentence synthesis, now it also saves our time when it comes to like communication. It makes us easier to communicate multiple points quickly and effectively. Okay, and also like it enhances our writing skill. It teaches us how to use grammar tools like conjunctions, participles, and relative clauses effectively. And also it also encourages our creativity. How, like it allows for like creative restructuring and combining of ideas, which can make writing more engaging. So this is it. I'm sure like you all have understood this one, the benefits of sentence synthesis. So here the next topic is rearranging sentence elements. So here, the order in which you present sentence elements can significantly impact the emphasis and flow your writing. By strategically rearranging words or phrases, you can guide the reader's attentions, emphasize key points, and create a more dynamic and engaging rhythm. So here, emphasis. Here under here we have like placing important words or phrases at the beginning or end of a sentence draws the reader's attention to them. Here the balance. Next one is balance. I'm just reading out this because it's like we don't have anything here also like to explain in detail. It's given clearly. So in balance we have arranging the sentence or elements in a balanced manner can create a more pleasing and harmonious rhythm. And Under the flow, we have rearranging elements can help you create a very smooth transition between sentences, no? Ensuring the writing flows naturally. So that's it. And the next one will be